In this video, I will show you how to change your algorithm on TikTok. The first thing you want to do is open up the TikTok app on your device. Now you want to get to the For You page. Now you want to watch videos related to your interest all the way through instead of skipping them. Then once you find videos that you like, you want to tap on this heart icon. Then you want to leave a comment over here. And you also want to share those videos. Next thing you want to do is follow the relevant creators over here. Follow creators who regularly post the type of content you want to see. You can also save these videos. For that, tap on this arrow icon and then you can simply tap on the download option. This will give hint to the algorithm that you enjoy such kind of content. Now, if you find a video that you're not interested in, simply tap and hold. Then you will have the not interested option. Tap on that. Do this for any video that you do not like. Next, you want to tap on this search icon. Now you want to look for topics or keywords you want to see more of. Watch and interact with videos from those results. Next thing you want to do is head over to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, select settings and privacy. Now select content preferences. Now find the option refresh your For You feed. Tap on that. Then tap on the start option. Now in some time your feed is going to be refreshed. In this way, you can change your algorithm on TikTok. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.